This creamy bow tie pasta is a weeknight game changer. Rich, garlicky, with a hint of spice and a velvety finish.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
Start by boiling a large pot of water. When it reaches a rolling boil, season with 2 teaspoons of salt and add 1 box of mini bow tie pasta, Farfalle. Barilla is my favorite, but feel free to use your favorite brand. Cook for 10 minutes or until al dente or per your package directions. In the meantime, in a large skillet, add 1 pound of ground Italian sausage. Break it up as it cooks and brown it thoroughly. A meat chopper works great. Link in the description or in my bio for other platforms. When the sausage is just slightly pink, add 1/4 of a chopped onion and continue cooking until the onion is softened and the sausage is fully browned. Now push the sausage to one side of the pan and add a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil to the empty side. Add sliced portobello mushrooms and saute for 2 to 3 minutes or until they're tender. If you'd like, drizzle a little bit more olive oil for extra richness. If you don't care for mushrooms, you can skip them or substitute them with asparagus for a bright, crunchy touch. Let's go ahead and stir everything together, then season with salt and pepper to taste. Add 3 minced garlic cloves, about 3 teaspoons in total. Saute for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Now stir in 1/2 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 1/2 tablespoon oregano, 1/2 tablespoon paprika, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce for a gentle kick. Adjust heat to your preference. Add 1 cup of beef broth and 1 cup of half and half, or swap in heavy cream if you don't have the half and half. Keep the heat on low so the flavors melt without scorching. Once the pasta is cooked, drain and add it directly to the sauce in the skillet. Set aside about 1 cup of your pasta water just in case you need it later. Toss to marry the flavors, allowing the sauce to cling to every bow tie. Now stir in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, mixing until melted and glossy. I like to sprinkle a little extra Parmesan on top. Cover and cook on low for about 8 minutes to let the flavors mingle and the sauce thicken slightly. If you like yours extra saucy, you can add a splash of your pasta water. Mine is fine, but I always like to save a little water just in case. Finish it with chopped parsley and a little drizzle of olive oil for shine. Plate and serve with a side of mixed vegetables or a bright salad for balance. And here you have it. Quick, easy, super delicious, and budget friendly.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking.